Hello, my name is Greg Spees, but everybody calls me Bear. If you're looking for a part-time, work-from-home opportunity that you can earn great money, this might be exactly what you need. We've all heard of digital marketing, right? Some of you may know what it is, but for many, especially if you're over 50 like me, it may sound a bit intimidating. At 68 years old, I found myself in a situation where I had to leave my full-time bar management job, but I still needed to make a good income. I wanted something that would allow me to work from home, part-time, and on my own schedule. Over the past 10 years, I've tried plenty of things, probably half a dozen, looking for the right fit. Nothing worked until now. Here's what happened. I have a friend I stay in touch with through Facebook. She just happened to post an ad asking if anybody was interested in working from home, part-time, and earning 100% commissions. Of course, I reached out immediately. Now, I knew she was doing very well for herself. Traveled a lot, had a nice car, a beautiful home, but I didn't really know what she did for a living. That's when she told me about her digital marketing program. This is the part that sold me. She's been promoting e-learning courses on digital marketing that come with licensed resale rights. Here's how it works. The courses are priced at $100, $300, $600, and $900. You buy a course based on your budget, learn step-by-step digital marketing skills at your own pace, and then you can resell that course in any price below it, earning 100% commissions on every sale. I told her I think that sounds great. Just one little thing though. I know nothing about digital marketing. And her response? Bear, if you're coachable, and I know you are, and can follow a proven step-by-step plan, you will succeed. She asked if she could send me a 15-minute video to watch that had more details. No pressure or strings attached. I watched it, and honestly, it changed everything. I got started, and now I'm all in, and you can earn while you learn. Imagine this. As you're learning, you start slow, promoting and selling 1 or 2 courses a month. As you get better, it can grow to 1 course per week. The ultimate goal? 1 course sale per day. And by the way, the $900 course is our best-selling one, which means you can sell all 4 courses and make more 100% commissions. The system is simple. No monthly fees, fully automated, and over 46,000 community members to support and mentor you. And most importantly, you get to help other people learn to work from home and achieve their goals too. And it all starts with a free, no obligation, 15-minute video. If you're curious, just comment more info below in the comments and I'll send it right out to you. If this sounds like something you'd like to explore, take that first step. You have nothing to lose. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.